ACV Auctions Auto Sales Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get auto auctions wrong. They assume they are only for dealers or full of risk. The surprising truth about ACV Auctions is how it provides a transparent digital marketplace for buying and selling vehicles, and you won't believe how streamlined the process has become. Here's how it works. ACV Auctions allows dealerships to list, bid, and buy vehicles entirely online. Each vehicle undergoes a professional inspection, and buyers receive detailed condition reports, photos, and history before bidding. For example, a used car dealer can acquire vehicles in other states without traveling, saving time and reducing uncertainty. Most people get this wrong. They assume online auctions are risky, but ACV provides detailed inspection data, guaranteed payments, and secure transactions. Additional features include market insights, real-time bidding, and instant payment processing. Users praise the speed, transparency, and reduction in travel costs compared to traditional auctions. However, there are considerations. Individual buyers are limited, and competition can drive prices up. Most people assume online auction is impersonal. It's designed to replicate the in-person experience with more data. In conclusion, ACV Auctions is ideal for dealers and businesses looking to buy and sell vehicles efficiently, transparently, and safely through a digital platform. Subscribe for more honest reviews of automotive and sales platforms.